Alright, I want to do a quick little video on some of the protection and accessories that I recently purchased from SW-Motech. It arrived today. It was a lot earlier than I had thought. So this first video is just going to be of the parts that I received. This is the, what is this, the tail section? I don't know the names of these things. I ordered this particular one because it's pretty low profile. I like that design as opposed to Aprilia's. These are the crash bars. Show the brand. There we go. Yeah. It's packaged very well. It's made in Germany. This is the bash plate. The welds look pretty good. Not necessarily the best that I've seen, but they look good. And then this is the handguards. I didn't bother taking those out because I'll be doing that probably last. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with it. The quality, the packaging, everything look pretty solid, of the quality that I prefer. My next video will be probably one each of each assembly, and then one final one with everything on the bike. Oh, I weighed everything, and with all these parts, it's about 28.6 pounds, or roughly 29 pounds added to the bike. So that's an idea of how much more weight it's going to be on the bike, but I think it's worth it.